Ever thought how gardening can improve your health? It's true, folks. Gardening is more than just a delightful hobby. It's a health-boosting powerhouse. With every shovel of dirt turned, every seed planted, and every flower bloomed, you're not just creating a beautiful green space, but also investing in your own well-being. Gardening can bring significant health benefits that extend way beyond the aesthetic appeal of a well-tended garden. So, are you ready to get your hands a little dirty for a healthier you? Stick around to learn about the amazing health benefits that gardening offers. So, how does getting your hands dirty in the garden improve your health? You might be surprised to learn that gardening holds a myriad of health benefits that extend far beyond the joy of watching your plants grow. Let's start with the mood-boosting effects. Studies have shown that spending time in nature, like your garden, can reduce anxiety and depression. When you're out there tending to your plants, you're also nurturing your mental well-being. It's a natural mood enhancer. Next up, we have stress relief. The simple acts of planting, weeding, and watering can be incredibly calming. In fact, a study in the Netherlands found that gardening can lower cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. Now let's talk about physical activity. Gardening isn't just about sitting around and watching the grass grow. It involves bending, lifting, digging, all forms of moderate exercise that can help improve your strength, endurance, and flexibility. Have you ever considered the nutritional benefits of growing your own fruits and vegetables? It's a gratifying experience to eat what you've grown, and it also encourages a healthier diet. You're likely consuming more fruits and vegetables, which are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants. Lastly, gardening can also improve cognitive health. Some research suggests that the physical activity combined with the sensory nature of gardening can help keep your mind sharp and reduce the risk of dementia. As you can see, gardening brings numerous health benefits, making it a perfect activity for those looking to improve their overall well-being. Inspired to start gardening yet? Here are some quick tips to get you started. First, find your space. It might be a backyard, a balcony, or even a windowsill. Size doesn't matter here. It's your commitment that counts. Now choose your plants wisely. Pick ones that suit your climate and the amount of sunlight at your disposal. If you're in a small space, consider container gardening. It's a great way to grow a wide variety of plants without needing a lot of room. Don't have horizontal space? Go vertical. Vertical gardening is a creative, space-saving solution that also makes for a stunning visual display. You can grow everything from herbs to tomatoes on a vertical garden. Remember to water wisely. Not all plants need the same amount. And don't forget to feed them with organic compost. It's like a multivitamin for your plants. Remember, every garden journey begins with a single seed. So why not start yours today? In conclusion, gardening isn't just a way to beautify your surroundings. It's a passport to better health, reducing stress and boosting mood. Get started with those simple gardening tips we shared. So roll up your sleeves, grab a shovel, and get gardening. Your body and mind will thank you.